The uptake of glucose by the liver increases following a carbohydrate meal because. So whenever glucose is phosphorylated to glucose 6-phosphate by hexokinase in muscle and glucokinase in liver. So that is the reason there is increase in phosphorylation of glucose by glucokinase. That is the reason there is increase in uptake of glucose by liver. So option A is the right answer. The quaternary structure of protein is, so every protein has four structures, that is primary, secondary, tertiary and quaternary structure. So primary structure is a linear sequence of amino acids. They form the backbone of the proteins. Secondary structure is the spatial arrangement of proteins by the twisting. And tertiary is most of the proteins are composed of single polypeptide chains, but some proteins possess two or three polypeptide chains, and they are termed as oligomers. And these oligomers contain a quaternary structure. So the quaternary structure is interrelationship and arrangement of polypeptides in a protein with more than two polypeptide chains. So that is the reason option 4 is the right answer. Vitamin necessary for CoA synthesis is, CoA is coenzyme A. So pantothenic acid is a B vitamin that is a component of coenzyme A. Coenzyme A is necessary for the metabolism of carbohydrates, amino acids, fatty acids and other biomolecules. As cofactor of acyl carrier protein, pantothenic acid participates in synthesis of fatty acids. So option A, pantothenic acid is the right answer. So if pantothenic acid is not present, if vitamin B is present, only vitamin B, we can select option C. Biotin is essential for. So biotin is used for biotin deficiency. It is commonly used for hair loss, brittle nails and other conditions. But there is no good scientific evidence to support these uses. And the biotin is essential for carboxylation. It's not used in translation, hydroxylation or transamination. So option B is the right answer. In which parameter monitoring a urine sample is prevented from exposure to prevent photodegradation? So we add additional stabilizers to urine to prevent metabolic changes of urine analytes in urine, which could be resolved by inhibition of the degradation, and they are not accurate to give proteinuria levels. So one of these stabilizers are carotene. Carotene will stabilize the urine sample from exposure and it will prevent photodegradation. In beriberi enzyme, activity is measured is. In beriberi, enzyme activity measured is. So functional enzymatic assay of trans-ketolase activity. The activity of trans-ketolase is measured before and after addition of thiamine pyrophosphate. So 25% is decreased, stimulation response is abnormal. So measurement of thiamine of phosphorylated esters of thiamine in serum or blood used high performance liquid chromatography. So here in this picture we can see vitamin B1 thiamine is converted to thiamine pyrophosphate by trans-ketolase. So that we don't have transaminase, decarboxylase or deaminase. We used only trans-ketolase for the glucose cycle. So option A is the right answer. People eating only maize as a staple diet develop niacin deficiency due to. So whenever people have maize as their staple diet, which is seen in South and Central America and Central and Western India. So they have dietary deficiency of tryptophan, and this tryptophan will cause pellagra. So that is the reason any person who is having a maize as a staple diet will have low tryptophan and they cause niacin deficiency. And option B is right answer. And if option B is not there, we can select option A also. Xylitol is a. So xylitol, we have four options here: natural sweet, synthetic sweet, natural 5-carbon sugar and synthetic 5-carbon sugar. And we have sugars and amino acids here. And we can easily tell that xylitol is a natural sugar obtained from a birch trees. Okay, so we can eliminate synthetic options. Option B and option D are eliminated. We are left with option A and option C. That is, it is a natural and it is not an amino acid, it is a sugar. So it is a natural 5 carbon sugar. So option C is selected. And it is used as a sugar substitute and it will also reduce the incidence of caries. Wernicke's encephalopathy is due to Wernicke encephalopathy and Korsakoff syndrome are different conditions that often occur together, but are due to brain damage caused by the lack of vitamin B1 or thiamine. So, lack of vitamin B1 or thiamine is common in people who have alcohol use disorder. It is also common in people whose body does not absorb food properly. That is the reason option D, thiamine, is the right answer. Methylmalonyl aciduria is seen in a deficiency of methylmalonic acidemia is an autosomal recessive disorder of amino acid metabolism. It involves a defect in conversion of methylmalonyl coenzyme A to succinyl-CoA. Patients typically present at the age of 1 month to 1 year with neurological manifestations such as seizure, encephalopathy, and stroke. So they have a deficiency of CoA, which is a vitamin B12. So B12 is the right answer. Which of the following transfers acyl group? Lipomide is used to ferry acyl groups between functional domains of multiple domain enzymatic assembly lines. Lipo-8 becomes acylated by reacting with thymine pyrophosphate. So after several rearrangement, thymine pyrophosphate is consumed and tethered lipoate is loaded with an acetyl group ready for biosynthesis. So option B, pyrophosphate lipoamide, is the right answer. Glutathione peroxidase contains. So we have to remember that glutathione is a friend of selenium. So it needs selenium for transportation and for metabolism. So it is a selenium containing antioxidant enzyme. So anytime we have glutathione in the question and selenium in the option, we can directly select the selenium. Ferritin is an active form of iron and it is stored in. So here we have the iron cycle. In this we can see that iron in diet has intestinal enterocyte iron absorption 1 to 2 milligrams per day. It is stored in liver in the liver parenchyma as iron ferritin complex. Then it is transferred to reticuloendothelial macrophages in spleen and liver for synthesis of blood and transportation of blood. So it is mostly stored in liver as ferritin or hemosiderin. So ferritin, the form is stored in liver. Vitamin K subserves. So the compounds include phylloquinone, vitamin K1, and series of menaquinones, vitamin K2. So vitamin also serves as gamma carboxylation, which is not a pyridoxine dependent. So we have all the diseases like oxaluria, homocystinuria, maple syrup urine disease, xanthinuria, aciduria. So these all are urine diseases. So first, pyridoxine in doses 250 to 500 milligrams daily by mouth was administered to 12 patients suffering from recurrent calcium oxalate renal calculi and idiopathic hyperoxaluria. So it is dependent, oxaluria is dependent to pyridoxine. So it is eliminated. Classic homocystinuria caused by deficiency of cystathione B synthetase, a pyridoxine dependent enzyme. So homocystinuria is also removed. Methylmalonic aciduria, also called as xanthinuria type 1, is also a pyridoxine dependent epilepsy. So option D is eliminated. We are left with maple syrup urine disease, which is a correct answer, and it is an inherited disorder in which the body is unable to process certain protein building blocks properly. So option C is the right answer. FIGLU is a metabolite of. So in the histidine metabolism, we can see that the imidazolone and 5-propionate is transferred to N-formamino glutamate called FIGLU. FIGLU is an intermediate in the catabolism of L-histidine to L-glutamic acid and a marker in intracellular levels of folate. The FIGLU test is used to identify the deficiencies of vitamin B12 or folate and is also found in liver disease. So it is a metabolite of histidine. A patient with hereditary fructose intolerance is deficient of which of the following enzymes? So fructose is converted to fructose 1-phosphate and then it is converted to glyceraldehyde and DHAP by aldolase B enzyme. It is an important enzyme of glycolysis cycle. So whenever a patient is suffering from hereditary fructose intolerance, he is deficient of enzyme aldolase. The activity of the enzyme is affected by biotin deficiency. So here we can see the picture of biotin cycle. Here we have in the cycle we have the biotin converted to holocarboxylases by holocarboxylase synthetase. So the carboxylase is synthesized in biotin cycle. So if biotin deficiency, the activity of carboxylase enzymes are also affected. All 2 are of the genetic code except. So genetic code has few properties like it is a degenerate property, genetic code is universal and genetic code is non-overlapping and genetic code will not have any punctuation. It is a continuous sequence of letters and numbers. So that is the reason genetic code is redundant and also degenerate. So that is the reason it is a degenerate, it is universal, it is present in all the living organisms and it is same and genetic code is not overlapping. Once the reading is commenced at a specific codon, there is no punctuation between codons and message is read in a continuing sequence of nucleotide triplets until a nonsense codon is reached. So option C, punctuation is not present in genetic code is the right answer. The general formula of monosaccharide is any monosaccharide will have the same general formula, that is CH2O brackets N. N is the number of carbons present, which is more than 3, which is designates a central carbon molecule bonded with 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen. So CnH2nOn is the right answer. The aldose sugar is, here we have different sugars, glycerols, ribulose, erythrulose, DHA. And in these, we can say that glycerols is a aldose sugar. An aldose is a monosaccharide with a carbon backbone with a carbonyl group and the endmost carbon atom, making it an aldehyde and hydroxyl groups connected to all other carbon atoms. So glycerose is a aldose sugar. 2 sugars which differ from one another only in configuration around a single carbon atom is termed as. When a sugar is differ from one another in configuration at only one asymmetric atom, they are called epimers. The examples are glucose and mannose are epimers. Similarly, glucose and galactose are epimers. In glucose and mannose, they have a single carbon atom as C2 and glucose and galactose as C4. So they are called epimers, option A. Oxidation of which substance in the body yields most calories? So whenever we consume anything, carbohydrates, proteins or fats, the 1 gram of this thing will give this much amount of calories. So carbohydrates and proteins will give 4 kilocalories per gram and fats will give 9 kilocalories per gram. So the highest amount of calories are given by fats or lipids. Option D is right answer. The degradative process are categorized under the heading of. So whenever any energy is involved, either it is formed by the breaking of large molecules or energy is consumed by adding of few molecules. So the degradation, that is breakdown of large molecules, is called catabolism. So catabolism is a degradative pathway. Option B is the right answer. Mitochondrial DNA is, here we can see the picture of a mitochondrial DNA. It is a circular. So it is not a linear or helical, it is a circular. And here we can see two circles in the picture. Remember the picture of a mitochondrial DNA, it is a circular and a double-stranded DNA. The cellular organelle called suicide bags. So one of the largest special type of vesicle formed of Golgi is a lysosome. Lysosomes contain hydrolytic enzymes that will break down things and dissolve. So they will also break down all the cell organelles when cell wants to perform apoptosis. That is the reason lysozymes are called suicide bags. Option A is the right answer. Polysaccharides are, so poly, as the name suggests, it is a polymer of monosaccharide. There are two types, homopolysaccharides and heteropolysaccharides. So polymers are polysaccharides. Option A. And starch is a, so glucose is a monosaccharide, fructose and sucrose. Sucrose is a disaccharide and starch is a polysaccharide. Starch is a polysaccharide composed of D-glucose units held together by alpha glycosidic bonds. Hyaluronic acid is found in which part of the body? We can see here hyaluronic acid is seen in eyes, gums, joints, skin, and also in the hair follicle of a scalp tissue. And here we can see in the options joints, brain, abdomen, and mouth. So in this, from this option we can take joints, as the hyaluronic acid is present in the joints as a synovial fluid. Mucopolysaccharides are, mucopolysaccharides are also called as glycosaminoglycans, and these are heteropolysaccharides composed of sugar derivatives. The important function of mucopolysaccharide include hyaluronic acid, heparin, chondroitin sulfate, dermatan sulfate, and keratin sulfate. So option B, heteropolysaccharide, is the right answer. Rothera test is not given by. So Rothera test is a nitroprusside in alkaline medium reacts with keto group of ketone bodies to form a purple ring. This test is not given by beta hydroxybutyrate. So option C, beta hydroxybutyrate, is the right answer. The enzymes involved in phosphorylation of glucose to glucose 6-phosphate are hexokinase and glucokinase are involved in phosphorylation of glucose to glucose 6-phosphate. Hexokinase is present in all the tissues and catalyzes the phosphorylation, and glucokinase is present in the liver. So option A and B, hexokinase and glucokinase. The glycolysis is regulated by, here we can see the cycle of a glycolysis. It involves all the enzymes hexokinase, phosphofructokinase, and pyruvate kinase. All the above options and all the above enzymes are involved in glycolysis. Pastel effect is, the inhibition of glycolysis of oxygen is referred to as phosphorylation, and it is by oxygen. That is the reason oxygen is involved, and the enzyme used for inhibition is phosphofructokinase. So all the three options are right. So option B is selected. Cori cycle. Here we can see the Cori cycle is involvement of glucose, using of glucose and converting it to liver, and there is no uptake of new glucose. Only we are using the glucose again and again. So it is a synthesis of glucose and reuse of glucose. There is no uptake of new glucose. So both A and D are right answer. The functions of plasma albumin are, albumin is responsible for 75 to 80% of osmotic pressure of human plasma due to its low molecular weight and large concentration. It plays a predominant role in maintaining blood volume in body fluid distribution. So that is the reason the function of plasma albumin is osmosis. So option A is the right answer. Abnormalities of blood clotting are, defects in clotting factors are abnormalities in blood clotting, hemophilia A and hemophilia B or Christmas disease are major abnormalities. So gout is a arthritis and it is a joint disease. So option A and B are the right answer. Non-protein amino acids are amino acids which are never found in protein structure are collectively referred as non-protein amino acids. However, the non-protein amino acids perform several biological functions. These are ornithine, citrulline, and thyroxine. From these, option A, ornithine is a non-protein amino acid. A by G ratio, that is albumin by globulin ratio in serum sample, are separated and determined separately. So they give the ratio of the serum protein. So albumin by globulin ratio expresses their relation in serum concentration. The normal A by G ratio is 1:2 or 1.5:1. So it gives the ratio of serum proteins. Option B is the right answer. And it is lower either due to decrease in albumin in liver disease.